Hello for a new video. I missed you a lot and I know that you missed me too. But yeah, it's okay, life. So let's start the video now. Are you looking for the best app for recording the screen of the phone? Okay, let me show you the best app for me. So just go to Google App or App Store and then just search for X Recorder. Let me just here it is, and it is the best one ever, and trust me, now I'm using it. And as you can see, you can write, you can do whatever you want, you can even stop or pause it and then restart again. So it's amazing. For me, this is the best one. By the way, you can here use some shapes, use some, I don't know, it's super amazing, it's super good. By the way, you can even take a screenshot, you can do lots of things with it. So take a try. And thank you so much for watching the video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video if you really find it super helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.